Parceros, especial Halloween.
El día de hoy venimos con un loot, una chimba, venimos de payaso asesino. Y es nuestro primer especial de Halloween.
Ya está, una foto. ¿A dónde?
¿Qué?
Arriba.
Dale como quiera.
¿Ustedes fueron ustedes tres o jueguen? Espere o que jueguen.
Juego, ya. Ahí la cantaron.
Eso tuvo que doler.
Ah, herido, pa. Se jodió. Le toca que puntee usted, weón, por lo que a mí me ven mucho.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told him last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text. From way downtown, but this shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, they knowing that it's me. Hey, damn, you're still doing it with ease. Cause it ain't that hard when I'm talking about me. Me and my funds. Told him I get what I want. I need my money up front. I do not do this for fun. So I've been here my whole life, I ain't seen them here once. Told them I ain't playing, they don't wanna get hurt, dog. It's about time I shut them out worse off. Seen them in the shit, but now they all worse off. I ain't in a race if I ain't coming first, dog. Took a step back if they ain't in the game now. It was me so I had to put the pace now. All they tryna talk, not the time or the place now. Coming for the pot and I gotta pick it ace now.
Uy, Mari.
Can't make a promise, but I do my best. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. Bought a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told him last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text. From way downtown, but this shit's still wet.
¿Qué dije? Ya. Juego. Que ya. ¡Te voy a matar!
Hey yo, Jay, can we get some ratchet one time? Look, I don't wanna talk. Now you try and press the kid and read it, you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing out the street with ease. You gon' see the peace. You gon' see the flex when you hear these writtens. Trust me, you know the difference. I got a long way to climb before you see a slippage.
Sí,
Cause I don't really see nobody close to me. Hopefully this ain't wasted and I know it ain't. You gotta take the time for seasoning to marinate. You need the patience under pressure just to detonate. I'm trying to blow up and these heathens need to get it straight. Gifted with a vision and precision. I'm just trying to make it high. He might be breaking free like I was Zion in some talked at the crib, bro, you know just
Falta Jota, no lo veo.
making beats and spitting crack verses pretty likely. Yeah, socks with the burst, boy, I ain't changed a bit. Normal guy till I die, you know what it is. You probably thought I'd give up now that I got some kids, but really now I got these arrows aiming at your ribs. I don't want to talk.
¿Ese alambre qué?
Este marica todo tramposo,
¿Quién la puso?
todo maldadoso.
¿Quién la puso?
Para que caiga.
No, sí, es que eso vale en la guerra. ¿Y si tiene la fuerza para tumbarlos? Sí.
Corriendo de acá. Corriendo de acá.
¡Listas!
Una hora. Allá nadie tiene radio.
¡Juego! Dígame. ¿Cómo? No. ¡Eh!
Arrastrado, arrastrado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
¡Eh! Que ya tomaron la posición, ya no hay nadie a quien dispararle. Ya tiene que cogerla y esisasla ya. Tiene que colocarla en el segundo piso de allá. Ya vamos para allá nosotros. ¿Cuál candeleada? No, ya lo tenían a usted rodeado, cariño. Estaba solo. Sí, no se marica. Dale, dale. ¡Fuego! No, y déjelos que avancen. Hay alguien en la casa, ojo. ¿Todo bien? ¿Cómo? Sí.
Alguien tenía que poner a ese idiota en su lugar.
Buena, buena. ¡Ojo, ojo! Esto ganamos. No pudieron. Bueno, estuvo chimba de partida. Un especial Halloween.